Alright, welcome Kadiff Wolfe. Excellent performance from you, I would say. Vital in the team coming back to get a 3-0 draw. At halftime, the team was 2-0 down. What did the coach told you guys at halftime, going 2-0 down?
Well, at halftime, the coach told us that we knew that we were a better team than STATHS, and we were lacking. I don't know if because of the crowd, or I don't know what get to the players, but we weren't here in the first half. We were not Jonathan Grant. He just told us second half, go out and do what we know to do, and we came out second half and executed very well.
So I would want to know, what do you think about your performance today? Because you were playing multiple positions. What do you think about your performance?
First half, I wasn't helping the team going forward enough. I was laying back, and I caught STATHS to catch me too deep. And they were coming to the left side too much. So in the second half, I pressed more higher, so they didn't have the opportunity to break through my lines, so I can help the team attack more. And that's how we got into the lose.
And how is it feeling, the 80th minute goal when it went in? What was that feeling? What was running through your mind at that point in time?
That this is Jonathan Grant. Look out for us.
All right, Mr. Good.